Welcome to the Vector Garden. In this quick tip, we are going to produce this artwork. And preparation always pays off. So you need to think what you need to do with this afterwards, and it helps when you prepare the artwork in a way that that is possible. So in this artwork, obviously there are stripes and they are cut in the shape of this word, and then later on the red or the blue stripes need to be moved. And since you are cutting them, there will be a lot of red or blue stripes, and selecting them all will take some time if you cannot use automatic functionality. So it will really help when you have that coloring from the beginning and do not apply that later on. What you then can do in order to get that is prepare these stripes in a way that they are already colored when you cut them. So let's start with that. I'm going to draw a rectangle and let's just apply that color to it. I'm going to use the red, and then let's move this down a little like so and make this one blue, or rather use this blue. And now we're going to select the two and move them down double the amount. So let's double click the selection tool, and in here we're going to multiply this by 2 like so and copy. And now we can transform again or use the shortcut for this, which is D. So on the Mac, Command D, and on Windows it's Control D. I'm going to make a few of them like so. Let's select them all. Let's move this to the side and this to the side, and let's prepare the text. So I'm going to write this, and let's change this to the font I want to use like so. And let's check this out. This needs to be rotated like so. And we're going to make this fit so that we can get this like so. And since I'm going to use Pathfinder functions on that, I can already outline the text. Let's create outlines. This makes it easier later on. And then select all of that and go to Object, Clipping Mask, Make, like so. Add that didn't work, so let's undo this. And it didn't work because when outlining the text, you see Illustrator makes a group, and that's not good. So let's go to Object, Ungroup. Then we have Compound Paths, and let's go to Object, Compound Path, Make. So the single compound paths of the letters are now a compound path of the word, and then again we can go to Clipping Mask, Make, and now this works. So the next thing is we need to use the Pathfinder. Let's go to Window Pathfinder and just cut this with crop like so. And when you now take a look at this in outline view, then you see that's great. So let's get out of it. And now, of course, we need to ungroup it. And what we can now do is select one of the red ones, go to Select, Same, Fill Color, and then just move them like so. And then we have the result that we want. And it was simple, right?